welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make this coaster for today's video. As you can see here, this coaster is just looking like the it's tulips around this coaster. So I have added these colors to give it a delightful look. So let's start making this. For this video, for this coaster, I have this book number 1.5 millimeter. You can see the size, and the yarn is 3 ply. You can use 4 ply or 2 ply. So first we will start making by the magic circle. So I'm starting with making by the magic circle. So do a magic circle as you do. Now 3 chains. So magic circle, 3 chains, and now I will do 12 double crochets in this magic circle. So I am doing the double crochets in all over the magic circle. Total will be the 12 of double crochets. This is the first round for making the coaster. Okay, so I have made the 12 double crochets and close the whole circle. Now I will attach the last double crochet to the starting 3 chains. The 3 chains we had. Now I will join the 3 chains with slip stitch. So join this last stitch with the first with the slip stitch. Now again 3 chains, 3 chain in the start, a double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, again 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So in this round we will do 2 double crochets in one stitch all over the round. So in total we will have 24 stitches or 24 double crochets plus the 3 chains. Okay, I have completed this. You can see the now 1 double crochet in the one stitch. This is the third round. For third round I have done 1 double crochet and 1 increase. 1 increase means 2 double crochets in the single stitch. So I have done 1 double crochet in the next 2 double crochets, again 1 double crochet, and again 2 double crochets in one stitch. So the pattern will be 1 double crochet and 1 increase. Third round will be like this. In the fourth round we will do 2 double crochets and 1 increase. So as we go forward to the round, we will increase our stitches. So in this I have done 2 double crochets, 1 increase. Okay, this is our 1 increase, again 2 double crochets in 2 stitches and 1 increase all over. This pattern will be all over this fourth round. So I am doing this fourth round. Again 2 double crochets and 1 increase in the one stitch. So this round will go like this. I've done here 6 rounds here, 1 basic, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have done here 6 rounds. You can see the back side as well. So now I will add the other colors to make some flowers. So I'm having this, so I will add the color in this. I have choose this black color for one row, so tie this color with the first color. This will be easy for handle. Now I will make the round with this black color. This will be a different, so I have done one chain. We will start with one chain, one single crochet, one chain again, single crochet in the next stitch. We will not skip any stitch, so one chain and one single crochet. This is a pattern for this row. All row around will go like this, one chain and one single crochet in each and every stitch. You have not, so we will not skip any single stitch. Black color round is completed, so we will now we will now end this color and add some other colors. So now I will add the yellow color for the flowers. The next row will be in yellow color and with the puff stitch. I have choose this light yellow color for making puffs, so these puffs will look like tulip flowers. 3 chains. Now start making the puff. In the next stitch, the space, we will make a puff in the space of the last row. Okay, one puff stitch is done. One puff stitch, one chain, one puff again in the next space. In all spaces we will do one puff in all stitches. We will not skip any stitch. One puff and one stitch will be in every stitch. One puff and one stitch in every space, the space that we have made in the previous round with black color. So one puff and one stitch. This will be all over the round. Okay, the puffs all around the rounds is completed. Now I will close this round by attaching another color, and I will attach other color with the slip stitch with the last, like this. Now I will work with this pink color. Make chain 1, chain 2, and double crochet in the space. In the next space skip one space of the puff stitch, and in the next space do a 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets, 5 double crochets in 6 double crochets, 6 double crochets in one space, one chain, skip a space, and in the again next space do 6 double crochets, skip one space, and in the next space again do the 6 double crochets in that one space. So 6 double crochets in one space of the puff. Again I will do one chain. So 6 double crochet done, one chain, skip one space, in the next space again do 6 double crochets. So this will go like this all over the round. Okay, pink color is done. I have closed it. Now this is the last row for the coaster. For the last row I will add this black color in the first double crochet that I have done in one space. So in this row I will do single crochet in all double crochets. So one chain. Okay, now do single crochet in each and every double crochet. In each stitch I will do the SC, one single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so I have done 6 single crochets over the 6 double crochets. Now yarn over, and in this space yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So this will be the double crochet in that space, the space that we have skipped in the puff stitch. Again 6 single crochets on the 6 double crochets, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochets, and again one double crochet through this stitch, pull through 2 and again pull through 2. So this pattern will go like this in this round. Again 6 single crochets over the 6 stitches of double crochets of the previous row, 5 and 6, again double crochet from the yellow color and pull through 2 and again pull through 2. So this row will go like this.